Have you ever wondered why the Mercedes G-Class is such a popular choice among car enthusiasts? Let's embark on a journey to unravel this mystery. The Mercedes G-Class, a symbol of luxury and power, has managed to captivate the hearts of many, from the young speed demons to the refined connoisseurs. Its appeal lies not just in its iconic design but also in its ability to deliver a performance that leaves you spellbound. With its sturdy doors that shut with a satisfying clunk, wheels that can conquer any terrain, exhausts that purr with a deep resonance, and an array of colors that add to its charm, the G-Class is anything but ordinary. It's a dream on wheels, a statement of style, and a testament to German engineering. So, are you ready to dive into the world of the G-Class? Let's delve deeper into what makes the Mercedes G-Class a preferred choice for many. Who knew doors could be so fascinating? Well, the Mercedes G-Class is here to surprise you. Let's delve into the unique attributes of the G-Class doors. It's not just about the aesthetics, although they do look strikingly beautiful. It's more about the robust build that these doors embody. Crafted with precision and an eye for detail, the doors are a perfect blend of form and function. They are engineered with high-strength steel and reinforced with side impact beams. This robust construction not only adds to the muscular look of the vehicle but also significantly enhances passenger safety. But that's not all. The G-Class doors are also about the sensory experience. Close your eyes for a moment and imagine this. You've just completed a long drive on a beautiful day, and as you reach your destination, you gently push the door closed. The sound it makes is not just any sound. It's a satisfying solid thud that resonates, echoing the quality and durability of the vehicle. It's a sound that speaks volumes about the meticulous design and the high standards that Mercedes upholds. The doors of the G-Class are designed to withstand extreme conditions. Whether it's a high-speed highway drive or an off-road adventure, these doors are built to protect. The robust build acts as a shield, absorbing impacts and providing superior protection to the passengers inside. Moreover, the doors are equipped with state-of-the-art safety features. From advanced airbag systems to cutting-edge sensor technology, every aspect of the door design is meant to enhance the safety of your ride. In essence, the doors of the Mercedes G-Class are not just doors. They're a testament to Mercedes' commitment to safety, quality, and superior design. They're a significant part of what makes a G-Class a G-Class. So the next time you open that G-Class door, take a moment to appreciate the engineering marvel that it is. Feel the solid build, listen to the satisfying sound it makes when shut, and know that you're in safe hands. These doors aren't just there for entering and exiting the car, they're a statement of strength and safety. A car's wheels are more than just a medium to move, they are a significant part of its personality, and the G-Class's wheels are no different. Immaculately designed, the wheels of Mercedes G-Class are a testament to the vehicle's exceptional off-road capabilities. They are the perfect blend of style and function, designed to traverse any terrain, whether it's a rocky mountain trail or a smooth city street. The G-Class doesn't just drive, it commands the road with authority and precision. The wheels of the G-Class are generously sized, contributing to the vehicle's robust and commanding presence. Their large diameter and wide tread not only enhance the car's stability, but also improve its grip on diverse surfaces. This is a vehicle that refuses to be confined by the conventional bounds of the road. Its wheels are designed to take you places where other vehicles wouldn't dare tread. In the world of the G-Class, the wheels play a pivotal role in its off-road prowess. The car boasts 3 fully locking differentials, which means the wheels can spin at different speeds. This unique feature provides the G-Class with exceptional control and traction on challenging terrains, giving it an edge in off-road performance. But it's not just about the size or the grip of the wheels. The G-Class's wheels are engineered with a purpose, designed to work in harmony with the vehicle's advanced suspension system. This synergistic relationship allows the G-Class to maintain its composure and stability, even when faced with the most demanding off-road conditions. The wheels of the G-Class are more than just functional, they are a design statement. Incorporating the iconic Mercedes-Benz star in the center, they exude a sense of luxury and sophistication. They are a reminder that while the G-Class is a rugged off-roader at heart, it is also a vehicle of opulence and refinement. The G-Class wheels ensure you're not just driving but conquering every terrain. No matter where your journey takes you, the Mercedes G-Class wheels are designed to get you there in style and comfort. With the G-Class, every drive is an adventure waiting to be discovered. The Mercedes G-Class exhaust system is not only about expelling gases, It's about doing it in style. Now let's dive into the details. The exhaust system of the G-Class is a marvel of engineering, designed with precision to enhance performance and emit a sound that's distinctly Mercedes. It's more than just a pipe and a muffler. It's a testament to Mercedes's commitment to superior quality and performance. For starters, the G-Class exhaust system is incredibly efficient. It allows for optimum outflow of exhaust gases, which in turn contributes to improved engine performance. The system is designed to minimize back pressure, thereby allowing the engine to breathe more freely. This not only improves fuel efficiency but also enhances the overall power output of the vehicle. But the G-Class exhaust system isn't just about efficiency and performance, it's also about sound. The exhaust note of the G-Class is unmistakable, a deep, throaty rumble that announces its presence with authority. This is achieved through careful tuning of the exhaust system, which amplifies certain frequencies to create a sound that's both pleasing to the ear and distinctly Mercedes. The exhaust system also contributes to the G-Class's unique aesthetic. The twin chrome-plated exhaust tips that protrude from either side of the rear bumper are a visual treat, adding to the vehicle's rugged and robust appearance. And let's not forget about the environmental impact. Mercedes has always been at the forefront of reducing vehicle emissions, and the G-Class is no exception. Its exhaust system is equipped with advanced catalytic converters and particulate filters that help reduce harmful emissions, making the G-Class as eco-friendly as it is powerful. So, while the exhaust system of a car may often be overlooked in the G-Class, it's an integral part of the vehicle's identity. It's a blend of performance, sound, aesthetics, and environmental responsibility. It's a symbol of Mercedes' commitment to excellence in every aspect of automotive design. The G-Class exhaust system is a perfect blend of form and function. The G-Class's picture box is the epitome of luxury and convenience. It's not just a display, it's a command center. This picture box is a technologically advanced interface that brings all the car's features together in one place, beautifully presented on a high-resolution screen. With this picture box, Mercedes has created a seamless blend of form and function. It's a hub where you can access navigation, entertainment, and vehicle settings with just a few touches. It's about enhancing the driving experience, making it more comfortable, more convenient. The picture box caters to every need. Need directions? They're right there. Want to change the music? Just a tap away. Adjusting the climate settings? Simple and intuitive. Mercedes has thought of everything to ensure that every journey in the G-Class is a pleasure. All essential controls right at your fingertips. That's the G-Class picture box for you. Colors speak volumes about a car's personality, and the G-Class is available in a palette that's as versatile as its features. The G-Class comes in a range of color options, each one carefully curated to enhance its classic yet modern aesthetic. There's the timeless obsidian black, a color that exudes strength and power, just like the G-Class itself. Then there's the iridium silver, a color that encapsulates the car's sleek elegance and technological prowess. For the bold and the adventurous, there's the striking Designo Cardinal Red, a color that's as passionate and daring as the drivers who choose it. But let's not forget about the Mojave Silver and Emerald Green, colors that capture the spirit of the great outdoors, a perfect match for this off-road marvel. With the G-Class, you don't just choose a car, you choose a color that matches your style. The Mercedes G-Class isn't just a car, it's a statement. With each feature meticulously crafted, it stands as a testament to automotive excellence. From the robust G-Class doors designed to withstand the test of time, to the wheels that embody strength and stability, every element speaks volumes about this vehicle's pedigree. The exhaust, a blend of power and performance, adds another layer to the G-Class's compelling narrative. And let's not forget the picture box, a feature that adds a touch of elegance and sophistication, capturing the essence of the Mercedes experience. The G-Class isn't just about functionality, it's about aesthetics too. With a range of colors to suit every taste, this car is as much about personal expression as it is about transportation. It's a popular choice among car enthusiasts, and for good reason. Mercedes G-Class, a car that's not just about getting to your destination, but about enjoying the journey.